Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix media streaming is not turned on Windows 11 or Windows 10. To start, open the File Explorer. Here, go to the path that you see on screen. Here in the Microsoft folder, select the Media Player folder. After, click on Rename. Assign a new name. After this, restart your system to apply this change. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. After, in the search box, Entree Services, open the Windows Services. Here, press double-click on the UPnP device host. After this, in the startup type, select the automatic option. Press Start and apply the change. Now open the Windows Media Player Network Sharing Service. On startup type, choose Automatic. Run the services with Start. Click on Apply and OK. Finally, on the search box, enter Features. Open the Turn Windows features on or off. Here, check that Windows Sandbox it's disabled. After this, on the search box, enter gpedit.msc, open the utility. Here, on Computer Configuration, open Administrative Templates. Next, go to Windows Components and select Windows Media Player. In this section, open the Prevent Media Sharing policy. Now check the Disable option. Apply the changes. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.